get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day, lovelies. Welcome back. Well, it's still really hot here, and the kids want curry sausages, so I thought I might do me loaded ones. I'll write the recipe below the video in the description. We need 6 hard-boiled eggs, 1 kilo of sausages, 10 bacon tops, also known as shortcut bacon, 2 onions, half a cup of frozen peas, 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 litre of chicken stock, curry powder, a good squeeze of tomato sauce, sultanas, depending on how many you like, whether you do or you don't. Anything can be added or taken from this. I'm using the Maggi Rich Gravy Mix. You can buy these from the IGA and Foodland, and I absolutely love them. First up, we want to fry up our kilo of sausages. We want to make them nice and brown on the outside. While we're frying them up, we're going to chop the bacon up, and we're going to chop up our onions. Alright, the bacon and onion are done. Now the sausages are nice and browned all over. So now we're going to slice them up. So I'm using thin sausages, and you can slice them any way you want to. If you're using nice big fat ones, I would slice them a bit thinner. Alrighty, all the prep work's done. Alright, so the reason why I like to leave them a bit raw on the inside is because when we put them into the curry sauce after, for some reason as it cooks them through, it really soaks up the curry into the sausage, and it just gives it this real soft, yummy, just yummy. Back to the same pan, medium heat. Want to chuck our onion in and our wad of bacon. Ooh, bacon. Alright, we just want to cook them for a couple of minutes until we brown it up. Alright, I've had to turn it off for a minute so you can hear me. Okay, now we want to add our half a cup of frozen peas, our 1 litre of chicken stock, 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, a good squeeze of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now, when it comes to the curry powder, the good old Keen's curry powder, can't be curry sausages in South Australia without it. Normally I would just sprinkle it over, so, but that doesn't really help you much, so I'll see what this is. Yeah, a teaspoon. Alright, once I've mixed it in well, as it's coming up to a simmer, I'm now going to put all the sausages in. Alright, mix them through. Now once it finally gets up to the simmer, we want to simmer it for about 10 minutes. Alright, while that's simmering away, we'll make the gravy up. I've got a cup of water in a jug with a whisk, and this is the Maggi Rich Gravy Mix. I think it's absolutely amazing, ridiculously expensive now, but worth it. So into that cup I would put 1 huge heaped spoon, like normal big spoons, 2 huge ones, and a normal size one, and a normal size spoon of corn flour, and whisk it all through with a whisk, and she's ready to go. And we'll cut all our eggs into quarters and have them ready. I got sidetracked, I've probably left it for about 15 minutes. Alright, I'll just turn it down for a minute to talk. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to bring it up to the boil, because the only way gravy will thicken when you pour it in is if the water is boiling. If it's not bubbling, it won't work, and you can pour a ton of it in there. So put it up nice and high, give it another quick whisk. And as we do it, we just a little bit at a time so we know where we're going to be at. Wait for it to start boiling again. Go around again. It depends how you like it too. I like a nice thicker gravy. Not ridiculously thick, of course, but might as well just use the last bit. Yep, sorry about the lighting over here. If I turn this little torch off, that's what you got. so it doesn't look as appetizing as it will in a minute. Alright, now we want to put our egg in. Now you can have it on mash, you can have it on rice, leftovers you can chuck in the fridge, heat up the next morning and have on toast. That's yummy as well. Toasty toasties, they're awesome for that too. Alright, now we just want to gently stir them in. Once they're coated, that's it. We're done. Serve it up however you want. And then what I like to do is push it down and make a nice deep hole in the middle. And we pile on our sausages. Extra gravy, of course. Oh baby, stop it. A little bit of parsley for colour. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Loaded curried sausages. Give them a crack. Your family is going to love them. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. And I'll see you soon. Toodles.